What is up, you people? Hope you guys are doing great. So, this video is for those people who are sick and tired of getting calls from random friends. Today, I'll show you how to block messenger calls. Seems like a good option for introverts, right? So, start by opening your messenger application. Make sure that you are properly signed into your account. Then go to the chat box of any of your friends that you want to restrict your calls from. As you can see that she keeps calling me like 2-3 times a day. So if I want to block her calls, then I will go to this I icon here, and after doing so you might be able to see this block option in the second last menu. You press that and there are two options here. The first one is block messages and call. The second is block on Facebook. So if you block her on Facebook, then you won't be able to see her or maybe her posts. So just click block messages and call. After doing so, confirm it. And now she can call you and you are safe from all sides. So that is all for today. Do follow our page and we will see you in our next upload.